Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A25 and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Somewhere here you will find a power saving toggle. For me it is right over here. Now this is the default location of all of them, so in your case the toggle should be in the same exact place, hopefully. If you can't see it though, there's a couple pages, you might find it on a different page. Once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it and this will enable it. Now once you tap on the actual little circle, it just enables it. You can also tap on the text, I believe. Oh no, never mind, that no longer happens. On older versions of the One UI, you could tap on the text and it will give you a quick explanation on what it will change. I am looking for this on my phone. Let me just quickly bring it up. If I can find the power saving mode. Oh, there we go. So bringing back my device here. This is the older version. Now when you tap on the text itself, it gives you this kind of overview right here. So background network usage, sync and location check will be limited, and motion smoothness will be changed to standard, which is 60 Hz. Now I don't know if all of this will apply here. For instance, this device I don't think has 120 Hz, so it's always running at 60, though I could be wrong. But in any case, there are some of the changes that might happen on this device which aren't mentioned at all nowadays for some stupid reason, because it doesn't give you any kind of information. So just keep in mind that if you rely on a network and notifications being delivered to you on time, you might want to stay away from power saving mode, as based on the message that was visible on my device, the device tends to limit it, and what that means is when you're not using the device, it will disconnect from it and you might experience either delays in delivering the notification that someone would send to you, or just those notifications wouldn't be delivered to you as long as you're not using the device, and only delivered to you once you actually start interacting with it. So something to keep in mind. Now anyway, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can turn it off by tapping on the toggle once again, and this will revert all the changes back to its original state. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.